how to transfer PayPay from Bybit to Bybit. Now, first of all, open your Bybit account and tap on assets. After that, here as you can see, tap on withdraw. And as you can see here in the search bar, now type the PayPay token. So after you find it, now tap on it. As you can see here, to be able to send to another Bybit, now click on internal transfer from the top. After that, as you can see here, provide the information of that Bybit account. So if you have the email, you can provide it here. And if you have the mobile of that account, you can provide it here too. And if you have the user ID of that Bybit account, you can provide it here too. So after you select one of these, provide the account information. And after that, type the amount that you want to transfer to that account. And after that, type on withdraw, and in a few seconds to a few minutes your receiver will receive this PayPay token on his account. So this is how to transfer PayPay from Bybit to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.